Hi, I'm Hilary Talbott, acupuncture physician and clinical herbalist coming to you from St. Petersburg, Florida. Today we will be discussing reflexology points in the ear. Now, a lot of people, when they hear the word reflexology, automatically think of the foot. And there's good reason for that. There are several microsystems throughout the entire body. And now what microsystems are the areas of the body where it's believed that you can treat anywhere else on the body. So the foot being one, the hand as well, and the ear. So today I'm going to show you some basic points for pain and for calming the mind. I'm going to do a couple points that are included in a protocol called battlefield acupuncture. Now, battlefield acupuncture is pretty unique in that it's a modern day application of reflexology in the ear. The CIA actually took our ear diagram from acupuncture and decided which points would affect the negative feedback loop of pain in the brain. So these 5 points I typically do, and then depending on where the patient is having pain, we'll do those points as well. So in addition to acupressure today with my fingers, I'm actually going to apply these ear seeds. These are Vicaria seeds. They're a neutral seed of the Vicaria plant with what looks like a little band-aid over them. And so you've probably seen people in the supermarket wearing these. And what this does is it enables the patient to have some control over their pain. So these stay on for about 3 or 4 days, and you can typically apply acupressure yourself throughout the day when you're experiencing a lot of pain, or say right before you go to bed so that it doesn't keep you awake. I will often give these to my patients after applying them so that they can reapply them and continue to have the benefits of acupressure until their next visit. So I'm just going to swab the ear first with some alcohol and clean it off, because we want to make sure that the ear is clean so that they'll stick for the longest amount of time. So now that that has had a little bit of a chance to dry, I'm going to apply one to the top of the ear. It's a point called Shen Men. And Shen Men is in most all of your acupuncture or acupressure prescriptions in the ear. It's located in the hollow of the ear here at the top. And sometimes it'll even have like a little discoloration to it, or be really sensitive on the patient when you press it in. And so this point has a very calming effect on the mind, which is great when you're dealing with pain, because oftentimes we tend to work ourselves up, making the pain worse. Another point that is employed is called point 0, and sometimes this is referred as the reset button for the body. And to find that, you're actually just going to follow Shen Men down to the crease that comes through the middle of the ear. And again, you're looking for any discoloration or bump or something that lets you know that the point is active. Now, omega-2 is another point that is used in the battlefield prescription. And that is found by pressing the outside of the ear to the face to find the apex of the ear. The apex is the top. And in between the apex and where the ear connects to the head is where omega-2 is. So even though there's about 5 or 6 points that we use in the battlefield acupressure or acupuncture series, sometimes these first 3 points are enough to actually reduce pain, and certainly enough to calm the mind. So in order to get a better understanding of which points are specific for you, visit your local acupuncture physician. If you don't have one or know where to find one, check out acufinder.com. I'm Hilary Talbott, and that was acupressure and reflexology in the ear.